Invertebrates are one of the most diverse groups in the animal kingdom. To exemplify their success, let us begin with walking with ants. The simplest forms of ant colonies are those that consist of one queen that is inseminated by a single male. This familial community is often found in sheltered environments, using a hole such as this one as a portal to their underground world. Ants live in social groups. These individuals are likely to be the offspring of the queen, and therefore have the responsibility of providing resources for the community, as well as caretaking for juveniles. Each ant has a specific job to do, a job assigned to them by the queen herself using her royal pheromones. Their opportunistic nature allows them to collect resources from the external environment and bring it back to their nest. Unlike many humans, ants prefer and benefit from sharing their findings with their fellow nestmates, an altruistic relationship within a community that is often unfamiliar to our species. The worker ants have much responsibility away from foraging and raising their siblings. It is up to these hard workers to defend their nest. This is done by kin recognition. When walking past each other, antennae touch and recognition is done via cuticular hydrocarbons, which allows for nestmates to identify one another. This is essential to keep intruders at bay. Finding sufficient food is a joyous occasion, especially when the meal requires no work, such as finding a dead insect. This is a favourite for the ants, providing quality nutrients with no additional cost required. A win for all. The queen's secretion of pheromones is the deciding factor for the working ant's fate. Here we see these ants have been given the responsibility of carrying eggs to a more secure area, one where they are sheltered from potential predators, or perhaps to a new nest, preparing to be hatched. Ants have incredible mobility. Their ability to move and carry objects up and down vertical distances is incredibly astounding. Little is known about how small insects such as these are able to move with such efficient grace, while others may not be so talented.